Hey everyone, it's Crypto Profit back with another video, and today we're going to be jumping into the Cardano price point and talking a little bit about where we could be headed next and why this price is going to continue to rise, in my opinion. So we see a 2.58% increase in the last 24 hours alone, a very nice looking bullish push up from this 86 cents we saw March 20th. Now, in the last week, though, we have seen about a 13 to 14% increase, coming all the way from 79 cents up to this 90 cents. A lot of bullish potential here, like I said, in the next couple of months for Cardano. And that's exactly why we're going to talk about where we could be headed and what price points to be looking for. In the last month, though, about a 4 to 5% decrease coming from about 95 cents. So we're making our way back to that February 21st, 95-cent mark here. I am excited to continue to push past that dollar and get back into really what we would call a very bullish Cardano scenario. We do have a $30.4 billion market cap right now. Volume in the last 24 hours just barely below $1 billion. But there's a lot to jump into today. So let's do it. Cardanians actually just tweeted out Cardano has a well-designed economic model and will be around in 50 years. Proof of stake is not energy intensive, and the fees will keep it secure and decentralized. You can stake your ADA coins today and take a profit in 10 years. By the way, keep in mind 4 to 5% APY for really just, like I said, passive income is very, very solid. Definitely in crypto. We're going to continue to see Cardano potentially rise as well. If we jump into the next tweet, we have Dan with a great tweet here. He says we're mostly strangers, but we've been through a lot together. So the Cardano ADA community has definitely stood strong through all of this. Not much negativity really coming through this 80-cent drop or down to 80-cent drop from that $3.10 all-time high we saw just a couple months ago. So there's so much opportunity in Cardano, it's almost overwhelming. We're seeing so much bullish, really pushing in content from Cardano holders and from really crypto holders in general. It's exciting for ADA holders because we could see a nice push up. And if you've been accumulating at these 70-cent price points, you're going to have a happy time as we get back to a $2 to $3 potential price point by the end of this year. I want to jump, though, into the next tweet. So really, actually not really a tweet. This is more of an article. This is going to be on FX Street. So Cardano price to revisit $1.20 after ADA Bull's strong comeback. So here we can see Cardano price breached its 2-week consolidation on March 18th, signaling a breakout. Investors can expect ADA to continue its ascent to $1.20 if it can flip the $1 psychological level. A daily candlestick below 0.776 will invalidate the bullish thesis for ADA. So Cardano price is out of its range-bound movement as it breached the upper limit on March 18th. This uptrend signals that ADA is bound for more gains in the near future. So what does this really mean for us, guys? Well, we know ADA is on a bullish trend up. However, what will bring it down potentially is the rest of the market. So right now we're down about 0.36, which isn't too bad. Bitcoin's still over that $41,000 hump. We have Ethereum actually very close to $3,000. But what will bring Cardano down is the rest of the market struggling. If we do see the market continue to rise, I think Cardano may be one of the big leaders in this market uptrend. I do want to talk a little bit about this next article. So here we have crypto price prediction, huge Bitcoin forecast revealed as Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, Cardano, Luna, and Avalanche swing. So we're seeing a lot of the highest market cap coins in crypto doing very, very well. And with that, they're trying to give you guys some forecasts on the future. But that's what I'm going to be doing here at the end of today's video. So if you have not already, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. Before we jump into the next two very, very important articles, I want to jump into BlockFi because a lot of you guys have been asking where you buy, sell, and earn crypto. Well, one of the best places out there is the BlockFi Rewards credit card that lets you earn up to 3.5% back in crypto on every single purchase. This is, like I said, BlockFi. It's down in the description of today's video. When you sign up, you'll get up to $250 worth of Bitcoin the first time, which is absolutely crazy. Over $15 million in crypto paid in rewards today and no annual fees. So you can actually earn rewards in Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more with the BlockFi Rewards credit card. See if you're approved with no impact to your credit. So very, very important for a lot of you guys to take advantage of free money. It's all over the crypto space. Just remember, guys, again, I'm not a financial advisor. As we jump over to Crypto Potato, we have more to jump into with ADA. So ADA soaring that 12% in a week. What's the next target? This is exactly what we've been talking about. What is that next target? Well, after recording an all-time high $3.10, Cardano entered a correction that's ongoing for 200 days so far. Meanwhile, bad news, such as delisting from the eToro exchange, has become a catalyst for farther price retracement. Despite the rumors of burn mechanism rollout, there is no significant reaction. So, guys, keep that in mind. Burn mechanism rollout could be actually huge, kind of hiding under the radar, and we could see a very, very nice price increase because of that as well. I'm not going to talk about too much when it comes to the price prediction on this article specifically, but one thing to keep in mind is the short-term resistance being about 90 cents and a dollar, and then short-term supports being 85 cents and 78 cents. So we do have support, we have resistance. Let's see what happens. We'll continue to keep you guys up to date here on the channel, but I want to jump into one more FX Street article first. Cardano may spike to $1.25 before finding resistance. So in the past article, we talked about 90 and well, really 90 cents and a dollar as the current resistances. Well, here we see $1.25 as the big resistance that a lot of people are talking about because this is the major resistance that we're going to have to push past. Cardano price pulled back from the Wednesday rally to test, and we actually saw more buyers jumping on board with this test, by the way. I also want to say weekly candlestick set to close in the green and white for the first time in 6 weeks. So FX Street mentioned this, and it's a huge thing to actually mention. It's showing that bullish uptrend is continuing in this week. We also see support a strong responsive bullish bounce that could likely exceed $1. So we are going to potentially see above $1 Cardano in the next couple of months if we can actually see the crypto price at least stay the same. When I talk about crypto price, I'm talking specifically about the market. And when I talk about the market, what am I talking about, guys? It's Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? So those are the main two that are going to keep everything else on the trend up or down. Well, we need those to continue to trend at least sideways or up. And with that, Cardano above $1 is definitely going to be taking place very, very soon. If we actually jump, though, back over to Cardano, I want to talk about price predictions for the end of this year and the end of this bull market. So the first thing to kind of note is the end of this year, a lot could happen. We don't know exactly what's going to happen, but based on TA, based on what we do know, Cardano has a very, very easy chance of reaching close to its all-time high again, and I'm saying $3 to $5 potentially. That is definitely going to need a crypto market that's, kind of advancing, not just sitting at 35, 40K. It needs to be seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum continuing to rise, Bitcoin specifically, maybe hitting about 70 to 80K. If we do hit that, Cardano could easily hit $3 to $5 by the end of this year. By the end of this bull market, we could actually see Cardano continue to push farther than that. It does depend, obviously, on when that bull market does end or how long that bull market lasts and when it starts. But with all of that information, I do want to say the bull market 3-5 years from now, we will be in one by then. And Cardano, I could see by that time hitting $7 to $10. And I think that's still a realistic price point. With Cardano being at about $30.5 billion of a market cap, I do think there's a lot of potential behind this one. We're continuing to see trading activity, by the way, 63% buy, 37% sell. A lot of people jumping on board for obvious reasons. If you guys haven't already, by the way, if you want to stay up to date with Cardano as well as so many other cryptocurrencies on this channel, top fives and so much more, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn notifications on. And then jump over to Crypto Profit YT on Twitter. Follow me there. We're going to stay up to date with all things crypto on both Twitter and YouTube. So, like I said, I'll see you guys all in the next one.